Welcome to Considerations Around Generative AI. After watching this video, you will be able to identify the complexities of copyright and content ownership in generative AI. You will also be able to explain the importance of privacy and confidentiality of data while using AI models. Further, you will explore the accuracy of generative AI outputs and understand the potential for hallucinations. Lastly, you will identify ethical considerations when developing and using generative AI technologies. Generative AI is transforming industries, pushing the boundaries of creativity and innovation. However, as with any powerful tool, it comes with its own set of challenges and considerations. In 2018, a piece of artwork titled Edmund de Bellamy, created by an AI algorithm called GAN, Generative Adversarial Network, was sold at an auction for over $400,000. This raised questions about who owned the rights to the artwork, whether it was the developers who programmed the AI or the buyers of the artwork. The sale sparked debates and discussions around intellectual property rights in AI-generated creations. The question of intellectual property and ownership in AI is complex. Who owns the right to AI-generated content or innovations? As AI systems become more creative, this question will become increasingly pertinent. It is recommended to establish clear guidelines and policies to address these issues, balancing the interests of AI developers, users, and the broader society. Developing appropriate regulations to govern the use of AI while promoting innovation is a delicate balance that needs careful consideration. Clarifying intellectual property rights related to AI-generated content is a complex and evolving issue. It is important to ensure that AI systems comply with existing laws and regulations, such as those related to data protection and consumer rights. Another critical concern in generative AI is privacy and confidentiality. Generative AI models often require large amounts of data for training, and this data can sometimes include sensitive or personal information. Implementing strong data protection measures is essential to ensure that the information used to train AI models does not violate individual privacy. To address privacy concerns, organizations are increasingly turning to private AI. Private AI refers to an AI environment created specifically for a particular organization, intended for exclusive use by that organization. These are designed to keep data confidential and secure, preventing unauthorized access and misuse. Generative AI is incredibly powerful, but it still comes with its flaws. Sometimes, AI can produce outputs that are inaccurate or completely fabricated, a phenomenon known as hallucination. For instance, an attorney used ChatGPT to craft a legal motion filled with phony judicial opinions and legal citations. The attorney, unaware of ChatGPT's ability to fabricate cases, faced sanctions for submitting the document. The phenomenon of hallucination highlights the importance of critical thinking when using AI-generated content. It is crucial to always validate and fact-check the information generated by AI to avoid the spread of misinformation. It is essential for developers and users to implement strategies to minimize the risk of AI hallucinations. This might include improving the quality of training data, refining algorithms, and establishing robust validation processes. Organizations can use private GPT models to address hallucination concerns. For instance, CustomGPT.ai is an advanced AI platform that develops tailored GPT chatbots using your business content, delivering accurate and reliable GPT-4 responses based on that content without fabricating information. By leveraging private models, businesses can reduce hallucination in AI outputs by ensuring the training data is highly relevant and accurate, leading to more reliable and context-specific responses. High-quality, diverse datasets are necessary for training effective models, and the quantity and quality of data also play a significant role in the model's performance. More complex models can also achieve better performance, but also require more computational resources and may be harder to interpret. The ability to scale the use of generative AI across different applications and environments is important for widespread adoption. AI models should be robust to various inputs and able to handle unexpected scenarios gracefully. Finally, let's consider the ethical implications of generative AI. From continuing biases to potential misuse, The ethical landscape of AI is complicated. AI systems can unintentionally continue biases from their training data, leading to unfair results. It is important for developers to prioritize fairness, accountability, and transparency. This involves actively working to find and fix biases and ensuring that AI systems are used responsibly. Generative AI can be misused to create deepfakes, which can have serious consequences. Deepfakes are videos, images, or audio recordings that have been manipulated using generative AI models to make them appear as if they are real. They can be very convincing, and they can be used for a variety of bad purposes, such as creating fake news and propaganda, spreading disinformation, harassing or blackmailing people, or committing fraud. Deepfakes can be used to create forged identity documents or photos for fraudulent purposes, such as opening bank accounts, obtaining loans, or gaining access to secure locations. This can lead to financial fraud and other security breaches. Ethics in AI extends beyond preventing harm. It's also about fostering positive outcomes and ensuring that AI technologies benefit society as a whole. This includes using AI to address social challenges, improve access to resources, and enhance quality of life. It is important for developers and organizations to create AI systems that support initiatives, promoting social justice, environmental sustainability, and human well-being. In this video, you learned about the copyright and ownership challenges faced with content created using generative AI, and how important it is for developers and users to familiarize themselves with legal frameworks and stay updated on evolving laws. You also learned how to maintain the privacy and confidentiality of user data using private AI models and a combination of technical and legal measures. Further, you learned why critical thinking is important in ensuring the accuracy of generative AI outputs and how it can mitigate AI flaws like hallucinations. Finally, you gained insights into the ethical considerations, urging developers to prioritize fairness, accountability, and social benefits in AI development.